Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. As you can see, for today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look. I know it looks a bit hard, but I'm going to explain it to you step by step how you can create this look for any special occasion, for a night out, for New Year's that's almost here. So I hope you guys like it. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And now let's get started. As always, I'm going to be using the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer and the Real Techniques Detailer Brush to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. And I'm also going to use the same concealer as a primer for my eyeshadows. I'm going to apply it with my finger all over my eyelid and make sure it's nice and blended before I go into the eyeshadows. This will help to avoid your eyelids from getting oily. It will hide like the little veins. Your eyelid won't look as dark. It's just going to make it look even. Then I'll be using the LA Girl Born Exclusive eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to grab this eyeshadow right here using the BH Cosmetics brush, and I'll be applying this in tapping motions all over my crease. I wanted to use this brush first because it just grabs a lot of the product and applies it really good on the eyelid or on the crease. Just to make it faster, because to blend out the eyeshadow I'm going to be using a smaller brush. It's a brush that comes in an eyeshadow palette from Rimmel, so I'm going to use that one to keep blending out the edges, and I'm also going to keep adding more and more of that eyeshadow to keep moving it up, especially if you have small eyes or hooded eyes. You do want that eyeshadow to be higher than your crease so your eyes will look a little bit bigger. And like I said before, it helps me a lot, especially if I didn't set the concealer. It helps me to blend out the eyeshadow a lot faster and better. I just stretch my eyelid by lifting my eyebrow. And make sure that when you're adding another layer of eyeshadow, you don't apply it right on the edge, like right where the eyeshadow's already blended out. You want to first apply it below that and then start blending it out in circular motions and then moving it higher. It'll just blend out a lot better and it'll look nicer. Another thing that helps me, and I do see a big difference as I'm blending out the eyeshadows, is I use the Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder and the Anastasia A12 brush. And I'm going to apply it on top of the area where you can still see the concealer, which is pretty much just the brow bone, like right under my eyebrows. So I'm going to apply it there, and then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to start using this to blend out the eyeshadow better, and that will just make the eyeshadow look softer. Then I'm going to grab my Rimmel Black gel eyeliner, and I did put a little bit of hydrating oil from Anastasia. You can put any kind of oil that you apply on your face. Just add one little drop, that way it can make it creamier so it can apply better and you can blend it out easier. And I'll be applying it with this small flat brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid first, but you don't want to keep it just on the eyelid because that's really going to make your eye look smaller, especially if you have hooded eyes. You want it to go above your crease, like create your own crease. Apply this on your hooded eye. And this might be a bit weird or different for you, but I like to blend it out with this same small flat brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I just find it easier. Just the very important thing about this is you don't need to have a lot of the product when you're blending out the edges. It's you need to have like little to no product on the brush. The way I like to blend it out, I just do it kind of like in tapping motions, going downward, like swipe a little bit. And it does take me a while because I mean this is black gel eyeliner, so it will obviously take a longer time to blend out. But like I said, to me this is the easiest way to blend it out. And right here it also helps to blend it out if I stretch my eyelid. And from the same LA Girl eyeshadow palette, I'm going to grab this shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the brush that comes in the Rimmel palette. I'm going to use the sponge looking brush thing and just apply it on top of the gel eyeliner. I start on the eyelid and I apply it in tapping motions. Then when I'm on the edge, like on my crease, I kind of swipe it a little to help blend it out. Oh, and another important thing is you want the gel black eyeliner to be blended out, so the eyeshadow that you apply on top of that will look nice and blended out, because if it's not blended out, then the eyeshadow will look exactly how it's just going to concentrate on the black eyeliner, so you want it to look blended out. And then I'm gonna use the same brush, but just the other side of the brush, and then start blending it out until I like how it looks. And the reason why I used a black gel eyeliner instead of a concealer, which is something I do a lot, so the eyeshadows will also hold on to my eyelids all day and it will look pigmented and stand out. I want the eyeshadow to stay looking dark, and if I put it on top of the concealer, it's not gonna look so dark. That will make a big difference. Then with this small brush, I'm going to apply the first purple eyeshadow I applied on my crease on my lower lashes. And these eyelashes are from Anastasia, which by the way are so dramatic, which go perfect with this look. Then I'm going to apply this mascara from Lancome just a little bit on my lower lashes. And last but not least, I'm going to apply a little bit of a purple shimmery eyeshadow on the inner corner just to give it a little extra purple glow. And that completes this look. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if you guys would wear this for New Year's. I feel like it's perfect for New Year's just because it's very dramatic and just the colors are so pretty. I really love it. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this look and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!